Well, that looks like a mess. All to get this dash out. So, let's start with this. 16 Malibu. Malibu! Let's put everything back and pretend we weren't here. Take the dashboard off. This is kind of shitty. I mean, not so nice. So, we start here. Look at this. Look at this. So this, no tools. I pulled it right out. Pulled it all right out. All right out. And then you unplug this thing. Alright, where were we? Where were we? So unplug the push start. Get this guy, flimsy guy, out of the way. And then we got 2 more screws. 1, 2. Just enough to pull this guy out of the way. You don't need to take this whole thing off. You don't need to. There's another screw right there. That's a 7 mil. Another 7 mil. What? Why? 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 Now, behind here, also, more 7 mils. This little trap door. See? I use this my handy dandy tool for everything. Now, 2 more there. Great. Now, use this guy to pull these guys back off. See how they jam over one another? Well, you got to pry that off. Pull that out. And 2 more screws. 1, 2. Nonsense. Complete nonsense. Why would we be doing this? Who the hell knows? So let's get our handy dandy tool, seat, bag, and show you there's more. There's one under here and another one under there. Another 7 mil. Now, let's make sure this is the right way, and we'll pull these guys out and see. Let's see, can we do this without this thing being here? See you later. See you later. I want to see if this dash comes off. And it does so. You still got to pull this guy out of the way. Now this, push this in and push back. That's how you release the hood release. Whoop. There you go. Let's put this out of the way temporarily. And there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe.